Okay, this video is going to show you what I show my other classes since I will not be in period 6 today. I want to show you how to take a certain vertex, a point from this triangle, and I'm going to do two transformations. I'm going to translate it 5 units to the left and then 3 up, and then reflect it straight across the x-axis. And I'm also going to do that for the other 2 points. For your little quiz that you're doing later, you're only going to have to do it for one coordinate. So here we go. For this, I'm going to find vertex A, so this point right here, and I'm going to do the 2 transformations, 5 units left, 3 units up, and then I'm going to reflect that across the x-axis. So here I go. I'm going to find that coordinate. That coordinate right there is the coordinate for x. 2 for x, 5 for y. But don't worry so much about that coordinate. I want to find the new coordinate. So I'm going to start at that point, and I'm going to move 5 boxes to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, I'm going to move 3 up. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to take that point and I'm going to reflect it straight across at a 90-degree angle, straight across over this line of reflection, the x-axis, the side-to-side axis. So when I reflect that, I hit that reflection line at a straight angle, 90-degree angle, straight across. So I'm going to count boxes. So from there, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes down straight to that line of reflection. My reflected point is going to be equal distance from that line, 8 boxes down. That's the true reflection of that point right there. So 8 boxes down, 8 boxes down on this side. So here I go. I'm going to count them. So from that line of reflection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is my point after the translation and the reflection. We call that point A prime because it's after the transformations. That point is -3 for x, -8 for y. That is the new reflected point after the translation also. So -3 for x, -8 for y. I'm also going to do that for the other 2 coordinates, and then we're going to talk a little bit about pre-image and image. So if I take point B and do the same 2 transformations, I'm going to translate it 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from there I'm going to move up 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm then going to take that point and reflect it across the y-axis, straight across. So that means if I'm under 1, I'm going to be above 1 for the reflected point. So that point right there, B prime, that is after moving it 5 to the left, 3 up, and then reflecting straight across that x-axis. So that new point for B prime is 3 for x, 1 for y. Alright, I'm going to do the same for C. So for point C, I'm going to move that 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from there up 3. 1, 2, 3. Because this point is on the line of reflection, you're not going to move it anywhere. It's going to stay put. That is C prime. Any point on a line of reflection will not move its position. So the point C prime is -6 for x, 0 for y. And then I'm going to connect those points to show you the new image. So if I connect A prime, B prime, C prime, the red arrow, that is what we call the image. The one before the transformations, that's the pre-image. The one after it's been reflected and after the translations is called the image. What we're going to be looking for tomorrow is some of the relationships in these lines here. So you can see that this length from A to C is equal to the length from A prime to C prime. The length A to B is equal to the length of A prime to B prime. Angle A is equal to angle A prime. Angle C is equal, or what we'll start using is the word congruent to the angle C prime. The length from B to C, or CB, is congruent or equal to the length from C prime to B prime. We'll be talking about that tomorrow. But again, for this, all you have to do is find this point on the quiz. Just do it for 1 point. Tomorrow we'll look more at this terminology and comparing the lengths. Good luck.